Namaskar, welcome to my channel Infranetics. Today, before we explore seamless data communication, let's answer a simple but powerful question. What is data? When we say communication, basically what we are communicating, we are communicating a block. That block is called data. And in today's scenario, data is the fuel of communication, or we can say data is the digital fuel of communication. Imagine a world without data, that is, no messages, no online video, no GPS navigation. Very difficult to survive. I am word using the survive. I am not saying impossible, but it is very difficult because now in these days, these are empowering our communication. Data is the foundation of messages, online videos, or GPS navigations. Everything is digital. But what exactly is data? Let's we understand. Well, there is a number, text, images, even sounds, or temperature readings. Then it is called a raw data. Numbers are there, text is there, images is there, temperature readings are there, but information is not coming from this. So it is called a raw data. Let's understand the type of data. Basically, there are three types of data. First is structured data. The organized data in a form of tables when messages, emails, videos or images just lying here or there. So this type of the blocks are called unstructured data. Semi-structured data like online shopping reviews, customer reviews, these are all called as semi-structured data. When this semi-structured data put in a tabular form, then it will become a structured data. Data is basically in a raw form, and information is when data is processed and makes sense. Example of raw data, let me say 10 degrees centigrade. Then it is a raw. We are saying the temperature is 10 degrees centigrade, but there is no information. But when we say it is a 10 degrees centigrade outside, so becoming information, so we can understand the outside temperature is 10 degrees centigrade. Why data is so important? Data is everywhere and it powers. In today's scenario, artificial intelligence, machine learning, banking transactions, online transactions, seamless communications, and it is empowering our communication. We have no data, then what we are going to communicate? That means we required a block in the form of information, then there will be a seamless communication. The more data, the more blocks we collect and analyze, the smarter our world, or we say in today's digital world, if we have more data, then we can communicate more. Like in languages, more word in our dictionary, then we can communicate or we can understand more. And we are called as a smart communicator. So, be a smart communicator, a seamless communicator, understand your data, understand your store of informations, and how to you going to communicate and when we are going to communicate. We'll talk in our next class type of communications. Today we talk about what is the data, what types of data, and in our next session we'll talk about the type of communication. So this episode or session on seamless data communication I have brought for you to understand some word which is very important in today's digital era, or we can say the social media era. Friends, if you like my videos, like my sessions, please comment and subscribe for more technical insights. Your comments or feedback is very important for me. Thank you for the next session.